Breaking news. Hey guys, this is for my subscribers only. Okay guys, I want to talk to you guys about two things: consistency and intention. Okay guys, I'm telling you, you can't dismiss the power of being consistent, one of the three C's. Guys, I have built my business almost to 60,000 just over 3 months because I am super consistent. The results will show in your consistency. So I'm telling you guys, if you're just going to tickle it instead of really do the strokes, I'm telling you, you're going to get tickle-like results. So consistency is so key, guys. You just got to commit to it. That's where the commitment comes in. The commitment and the coachability all stem around being consistent. You got to commit and learn from the people that are where you want to be, which is coachable, to be consistent. Okay, guys? So that's number one. And number two, guys, is you got to have intention. When you're making a video, you have to have intention of who you're trying to, your perfect customer. How are you going to attract them? How are you going to stop that scroll? But also, guys, when you have people interested, you've got to have intention to make the sale and close the sale. I'm not saying you guys should go out and bug people, but you got to make sure that they know you're there. Because if not, guys, they'll just buy from someone else. So you got to make sure you show up and you have intention to do this. Don't go just through the motions. Have emotions, like the motions with intention. Okay, guys? So this is just a subscriber live. So I just want to, or not a live, a video. And I just want to give you guys those little tidbits. So just keep this and you guys can rewatch this. But I'm telling you, if you're not seeing the results, two things: consistent, you're not being, or your intention. You're not making those intentions. You got to intend to make the sale and make the money. All right, guys. Till the next video, know your value.